The NAKEVICH 14.4-inch car radio brings a large Tesla-style touchscreen that modernizes the dashboard of compatible Chevrolet and GMC full-size sport utility vehicles from this generation. Its Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, combined with generous memory and storage, makes the Android 11 interface feel quick and responsive even when running several apps. Built-in support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay allows you to mirror your smartphone for navigation, music, and calls with straightforward wired or wireless connections. Integrated navigation, multimedia playback, and a bright in-plane switching display give you clear maps and easy access to music and video while driving. The unit is designed to work with the factory camera, rear entertainment screens, heated and cooled seats, and satellite radio, so you keep key original features after the upgrade. A plug-and-play style wiring harness and included installation guide make it realistic for experienced, do-it-yourself owners or professional installers to fit this system cleanly.